This is Pioneer's AVH-1550NEX. This is an in-dash AM/FM, CD, and DVD receiver with a 6.2-inch touchscreen. The AVH-1550NEX is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Apple HomeKit when connected to a compatible iPhone using a wired connection through USB. The AVH-1550NEX has 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and is backup camera ready and Sirius XM ready. The USB port can be used to connect your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music and MP4 videos. The system features built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, let's pop this thing open here. There we go. Okay, the first thing we get is the wire harness, and this is the electrical wire harness where we'll make all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to the vehicle. Those connections are power and ground and speaker connections, all of that type made through this. Next up, we have the USB extension. Here's the USB extension. Now the USB port is on the back of this in-dash receiver, so we include a USB extension in the box so you can bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Next up, let's see, we have some install screws. There's a handful of install screws there. Then we have the wireless remote control. There's the wireless remote. It's included with the receiver. Next we have the Bluetooth microphone. Here's the Bluetooth microphone. It's used for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. It comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. Next up, we have the quick start guide here. There's the quick start guide. And please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual in PDF form right onto your cell phone from pioneerelectronics.com. And finally, we have the warranty card. There's the warranty card. Now let's get the receiver up out of here. Open up the flap, and we'll pull this out. There we are. The front panel of the AVH-1550NEX has a simple layout. The volume control is here. And the home key and display keys are here. This is the voice activation key. The CD and DVD slot is across the top. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 6.2-inch touchscreen. The back panel of the AVH-1550NEX starts off with 2 black plugs here. The Bluetooth microphone included with the product will plug in right here. And this jack can be used to operate your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. You'll use this port for the optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM. This port is dedicated to the optional iDataLink Maestro RR OEM integration unit. Here is the USB port that can be used for Apple CarPlay. The USB port can also be used for music, movies, and still images through a USB flash drive. And remember, we include a USB extension in the box to bring the USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Next is the audio and video auxiliary input. And this is where you'll plug in the power and ground wire harness connected to the vehicle. The Pioneer AVH-1550NEX has a built-in amplifier designed to operate with up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. On the other side, we start off with 3 sets of 4-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer outputs, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low outputs. The yellow port is for adding on the optional AVIC U280 navigation system from Pioneer. And the brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input. Here is the audio and video RCA input and RCA video output. This can also be used as a second camera input. And finally, the AM/FM radio antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's AVH-1550NEX and what's in the box.